Hello. I'm in the middle of moving house and it looks a bit chaotic at the moment, but we're gonna hope and pray that I can get this all done today and then I'll have a nice place to sleep this evening. Deeply satisfying sight, but I know it will not last. Why do I have so many clothes and no space to put them? I feel very overwhelmed. This is stressful. I have all of this in this area where I need to figure out what to do, but I feel like I have a lot more surface area than I ever have in my other bedrooms. So I kind of want to start there so then I can organize my desk. I usually have this on my desk. I feel like it's better served over here because I'm going to look at jewellery and try it on with my full outfit. I kind of hate this as well. I'll replace it. But maybe she was there, add some height. This is my big stack of my TBR. It's not crazy, but little bookshelf. Anyone that's ever set up a house ever knows that this will 100% change, I'm sure. But for right now, it's doing the job. Now, my desk. to get them from and where to source. Hoping to find something on Marketplace, to be honest. But in the meantime, we've gotten some little things. So, first of all, I went to the op shop today and I found this cute little jar, and I was really wanting, I've got a lot of candles and I don't love lighters. They always hurt me, you know. So I have matchsticks and I wanted had like a cute little matchstick holder, so that's what this is. I got a dresser given to me, which is lovely, grateful, but I really don't like the handles. They are not my vibe. So I went to another secondhand store today and they had all of these boxes of just like handles. It was amazing. And they had really cute ones and really cool ones, but I have a lot of like wood and white sort of like pieces in my room, so I thought I may as well stick with that. And I found these kind of cute little handles. They're just like, they kind of look like cute little flowers. Love them, they're adorable. And so I'm gonna stick them into my cabinet. And then the last thing I got was, so my room is like facing the street, which is nice because I've got like good lighting and like nice big windows and whatever and doors. But the awkward thing is because it's facing the street, I have no like trees in front of me, and so I'm like very exposed to the outside world. So I got some linen curtains, which I'm going to try and hang up on my existing like rail. Somehow and somewhere I'm going to try to do it so that I can close them during the day and like have a little bit of privacy while still letting the light in. Because my curtains are like blackout curtains. But sometimes I'm like laying in my bed and I don't really want someone to be able to see me. You know what I mean? So this is my dresser that I was speaking about. Cute, lovely. Those handles just really aren't doing it for me. So I'm going to replace them. Unfortunately, I can't do it at the moment. So they're going to be done. What I need to do is see if these are going to fit just literally on length, because I'm going to have to create a sort of contraption so that they can hang up individually to the existing curtains. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but first things first is to check if I'm okay with the length. Okay, great news is they're definitely long enough. So now the next step is trying to find not a rail, but like a line. Curtain line? Yeah, that's what I want. Oh my gosh, $7. Amazing. If I get this done today, then I'm gonna be very happy. Okay, they aren't telling me if they've got it online, so I might have to do the old-fashioned way and walk in. Let's do it. I don't know guys, it's pretty good. Hi, editing Kate here. I realised I never gave an official update of the last things I did for my room. So, one thing I really wanted to do was I wanted to change my mirror. I had had my mirror for a number of years and I didn't really like it that much. I really wanted something a bit bigger. So I got this one. I found it on Marketplace, absolute steal. So I ended up getting this mirror. It's a lot bigger than the one I used to have. And I really like it. And then the last thing I updated was I just needed a new bedside table. And I really wanted one with a drawer. So again, found something on Marketplace and I really love it. I feel like it suits the room and the other wood accents. So stoked. The best thing about my new place is that it's like a 10-minute walk to one of my favorite yoga studios. So I'm on my way, not to do yoga actually, but to do like a HIIT class, and I'm excited.